My name's Dusty, and I first got acquainted with Berry Law Firm back in '06. I have two bad knees, and then on top of that, I've got some severe hearing loss where I've gotten an abutment hearing aid or a Baha on the right side. Then on the left side is another hearing aid, and gets interesting trying to hear all the different things that's trying to be conveyed. So it makes it very difficult. Tinnitus, that was approved right away, but everything else was like an uphill battle trying to get things situated and getting the medical exams scheduled and everything. And once that got done, things started rolling pretty good. I've also got a claim filed for depression, and that depression is compounded with like the bad knees because it limits what I can do now versus what I could do. And if it hadn't have been for, just the compassion of Berry Law Firm, it'd been very difficult. Right now with the way COVID is and everything, if it hadn't have been for Berry Law Firm, it'd been very difficult to make it because everything's so chaotic. Actually, the people I talked to at the time was more open to helping me with everything I could even imagine. It takes a lot of load off my mind because the constant worry or thinking about it just wears you down. That long stretch, granted, back pay helps, but it's like, sometimes that back pay's not enough. It's been an up and downhill battle, and if it hadn't been for Berry Law Firm, I would not have been able to do it because I don't have the knowledge about all the ins and outs of the VA, to say the least. And their red tape, you never know until you try. And with that effort, it pays off in the long run. If you don't try to get what you deserve, you'll never find out whether it's going to happen or not.